mangroves. So, familiar magkado tanong kay before nagtapod na sa aquatic ecology. So, mangroves are coastal ecosystems consisting of salt-tolerant trees, shrubs, and other vegetation that grow in the intertidal zones of tropical and subtropical regions. They are characterized by their ability to thrive in brackish water and play crucial ecological roles. Mangroves provide numerous benefits, including protecting coastlines from erosion, serving as nurseries of marine life, filtering pollutants, and supporting a rich biodiversity of plant and animal species. These unique ecosystems are vital for both environmental conservation and human well-being. Since familiar naman sa mangroves, ang mangroves is yung pinaka-importante sa atong palibay. Sila ang serve as protect sa like for example, yung mga coastal erosion, sila ang protect para hindi ito mga kanang uban na mapituman na uban ng kwan. And one of the important pod kay kanang sila lang serving ang habitat sa mga species. And kaya kung ang mangrove, so na may mga interesting paano ito, lahi ang like ang mga habitat sa mga species, hindi sila di ba kaya habitat lang sila, so then we have number one is true mangroves are characterized by vaporous reproduction, specialized structures such as aerial roads or pneumatophores for gas exchange, trap roots to unmoor, with unstable soils and bands for salt excretion or explosion. So ang true mangroves is like may mga different colors sa roots sa mangroves niya, red, white, o black. So ang red is muna sa dito ang pungki. So kung ano naman ito. And then we have mangrove associates or glycophytes. So we have also mangroves are essentially halophytes showing a high salt tolerance. So means ang halophytes is since salt tolerance means that so dali na siya maka-adapt sa atong environment. And we have mangrove associates or glycophytes not salt tolerant with only a certain degree of salt tolerance. So opposite sila. So glycophytes is not salt tolerant. So means dili sila dali maka-adapt sa atong environment. So we have taxonomic classifications. We have kingdom, phylum, class, order, families. Then, since one kita order ng part. So kami reason for say, convert say, vermic say, business say. So sila ang parang class-class na class-class sa families sa mangroves. So, ano siya ang taxonomic. So we have mangroves. So mangroves includes 7 families, 24 genera, 84 species. So we have true mangroves and mangrove associates. So under the lines, we have red na color, black and white. So sa red, meron Rhizophora mocornata, Rhizophora mangrove. So mga nakikita and we have also number of species, family, local name. So, mga major mangrove species na sila. So, hindi na naman and we have biology, behavior and characteristics. Mangrove wetlands are characterized by such qualities as a humid climate, saline environment, waterlogged soil, or muddy soil. So, first we have salt tolerance. Mangroves are adapted to high salinity levels in their environment. We have specialized mechanisms to filter and extract the system. So, in salt tolerance, we have mangroves are high salinity. So, we have aerial roots. Many mangrove species have aerial roots that help them breathe in waterlogged soils and stabilize themselves in salt-marine substrates. And next is salt excluding leaves. Mangrove leaves often have specialized mechanisms to exclude salt, preventing it from accumulating in their tissues. And propagule development, mangroves produce through propagules, which are sensitive germinate while still attached to their parent tree. This adaptation allows them to disperse tidal roots. So means ma-develop na sila into new plants sa tropical development. We have coastal protection. Mangrove roots help reduce coastal erosion by trapping sediments and speaking with energy during storms. So, coastal protection, so of course, sa Cotabato ng Tondo, from the words protection. So, biodiversity hotspot, mangroves provide a vital habitat for a wide range of marine and terrestrial species, making them ecologically important. So, we have adaptation to changing climate. So, mangroves are adapted to cope with daily tidal fluctuations and are only submerged during high tides and exposed during low tides. So, the idea is we have different tides, so on high or low tide. So, carbon storage, basic ecosystems, sequester large amounts of carbon, helping to mitigate climate change. And we have nutrient cycling. So mangroves play a crucial role in nutrient cycling. Nutrient plants supporting marine web. So in nutrient cycling, so of course, maghatag na sila sa mangroves, we have importantly, we have nutrients. And beneath flora and fauna, they host a variety of plant and animal species adapted to the challenging conditions of the mangrove environment. And we have ecosystem services. Mangroves provide essential ecosystem services such as fisheries support, water filtration, and rotational opportunities. Of course, like professional na sila ang vulnerability to human impacts. Mangroves are threatened to biodiversification, pollution, and habitat degradation, making their conservation vital for coastal ecosystems and human communities. Of course, sa vulnerability to human impacts, so mga human activities na sila, so pinabawal ang pagkakaroon, we have ka ng pagbalagay ka ng mga salupin kay one of the causes kay mga maapituhan ang mangroves, especially sa ang mga species na natuto sa mangroves, mga necessary habitat nila. And we have identifying sex. When it comes to identifying sex, we have first is reproductive structures. Look for reproductive structures on the tree. So kung sa male trees, makapulos sa cluster of small flowers or golden cones, while sa female is makapulos sa larger or seed-bearing structures known as chromatils. And we have flowers and cones. Male flowers or golden cones are typically smaller and less conspicuous. They release pollen, which is carried by the wind to female trees. Female chromatils are larger trees. So, ang pagpamahagi sa kanang, di ba sa mga bunga sa mga groups is matagot sila. And then once na matagot na sila, palit na sila sa buwan, sa kanang, sa current sa tubig. Dito na nimo ang kanang, dito na ito tubo, one of the way na makato sila mo na yung pamahagi ba nga kanang, mo tubo ito ang mangroves. So, kanang pag matagot na ang kanang bunga sa mangroves. And we have leaf characteristics. Some mangrove species may have some subtle differences in leaf characteristics between male and female trees. However, these differences can vary by species and are not always reliable for when it comes to leaf characteristics, so there are different leaf sa mangroves, di ba? And then we have consult experts. If accurate identification is essential, consulting with local botanists, ecologists, or experts in other species and and as you can see here, we have different types of mangroves. So, kita naman po siguro tayo, no? Like, of course, natin ka naman po sa Ispanan. So, we have here, yung mga different dito sa mangroves.
Ito yung maganda na sa mga ito.
Asa may familiar ni Joanna?
Kanali ko no? Kanadiretso na na. Nakalipa na ako ito. Saan? Nang sila ka na dito sa pag-pag-pag-pag.
And we have, so mga isda. We have, nani ka klase sa roots, we have pixel roots, butter
O, duligaya. Na. Kita ka.
The motopores, pencil-like pores are received from extensive underground cable routes are typical of Abyssinia, Suniraxatia,
Biyang. Biyang ka. Pwede magsubok si Jaro.
Carpos,
Hindi siya hanap mo. Anak.
So we have pneumatophores, pencil-like pneumatophores are seen from extensive underground cable routes or typical of Abyssinia or Suniracha and Xylophone. So, ingana si Japur mana sa anak-anak natin truck chain. So we have nail roots. Nail roots which are produced by the upward and then downward growth of the main underground cable roots or typical of Bruguera. So yan natin sila. So we have bacteria or plant roots, large plant roots that will continuously across the soil surface or typical of Pentera, Dendroralis, and Xylophone. So yan sa mga nag-share and we have skilled or prophets. All these skilled or prophets are unlike other mangroves, most of the bloom is above ground. So kami na mas reproduction. Similar to terrestrial plants, mangroves produce by growing with pollination occurring via wind and insects. Once pollination occurs, the seeds remain attached to the parent tree. They germinate into propagules before dropping into the waters below. So, more on reproductive adaptations. Mangrove plants are unique in the reproduction method by viviparous. Viviparous happen when the seed remains attached to the parent plant after fertilization and the leaf germinates. It then falls from the tree and drifts on the water until it finds somewhere to take root. So, kaning mga bunga niya, di ba namin protein? Mo ni ang katong sa male niya, mo ni ang sa katong female, bitaw yan na itong kuhaan niya. Kaning yung mga tungkay or kanang propagules, manglutar na siya sa dapay niya, dito rin po siya ng tubo. Manglutar na siya, mag-form na mapagpag sa bawd. Yan na siya sa dapay. Life cycle of mangroves. So, magunot sa aning kuhaan, kaning Rhizopora viviparity niya. Mukha siya flowers or fruits niya, mamature siya ito, ngani bitaw niya, kapag Bunya, mura kaya po, kaya bitaw, mura na kumutok siya sa ilawang dagat niya, sans na niya, growth lagi ako siya. Feeding. Mangroves are autotrophs or primary producers, meaning that they produce their own carbon or food source with chemical reactions, in this case, photosynthesis. These leaves are grazed upon by mangrove crabs and other herbivorous scavengers. Ecology and distribution. Mangroves are coastal ecosystem with unique adaptations such as salt tolerance and aerial roots that enable them to thrive in saline and waterlogged soils. They provide essential habitat for various species, offer coastal protection, and sequester carbon, contributing to the overall health of coastal ecosystems, are found in tropical and subtropical coastal regions around the world. They are most abundant in countries near the equator, including Southeast Asia, Central and South America, and parts of Africa. So, apel ang tayo sa Economic importance, fisheries. Mangroves serve as breeding and nursery grounds for many fish and crustacean species, which are vital for commercial and subsistence fisheries. They support fish population and contribute to seafood production. So, or gihapon, important is niya kay ang mga habitat sa mga fish and crustaceans ang mangroves. Timber and non-timber forest products. Mangroves wood is used for construction, fuel wood, and charcoal production. Additionally, non-timber forest products like honey, tannins, and traditional medicines are derived from mangrove systems. Tourism. Mangrove areas often attract tourism, providing opportunities for recreational activities, ecotourism, and local business. So, para gyapon sila ka na so ang mga pwede sila mga ay mga attractive because sila ka naman sa mga turista. Isa sila sa mga rason na mga sa mga coastal protection. Mangroves act as natural barriers, reducing the impact of storm surge, coastal erosion, and tsunamis. This protection can prevent damage to infrastructure and coastal communities. So, kuan gyapon nakatawa gyapon sila to protect sa kuan and kay mo kay sa mga typhoons. Ecological importance, biodiversity. Mangroves support diversity of plant and animal species, including migratory birds, crab, mollusks, and unique mangrove adaptive flora. They are important for maintaining overall coastal biodiversity. Water quality. Mangroves act as natural water filters, trapping sediments and filtering pollutants, which helps maintain water quality in coastal areas. So, kanang mga waste bitaw kay dito ra gyapon sila kanang murag masarap pero paano bitaw ay aron ma-maintain pud ang kahit sa tubig. So, carbon sequestration. Mangroves are efficient carbon sequestering and storing large amounts of carbon. This helps mitigate climate change by reducing greenhouse gas levels in the atmosphere. Nutrient cycling. They play a key role in nutrient cycling, recycling nutrients and supporting marine food webs, contributing to the health of coastal ecosystems. Erosion control. The dense root system of mangroves helps stabilize coastlines, reducing erosion and preserving the integrity of shorelines. Preserving the integrity of shorelines. Production and trade. Fisheries, timber and non-timber forest product, ecotourism, and conservation funding. Threats. Climate change, rising sea levels, and increased frequency of severe weather events can result in coastal erosion, submergence of mangroves, and reduced habitat stability. Pollution from industrial and agricultural runoff, sewage, and oil spills can contaminate mangrove waters, negatively impacting plant and animal life. So, ang pinaka-conjud kay ang pollution dyan ay sa tanan kanang kung di sa climate, alin sa pollution, kaya pollution nila. Mean destroy ang mangroves. Deforestation. Clearing mangrove areas for urban development, agriculture, aquaculture, and infrastructure projects leads to habitat loss and disruption of ecosystem functions. So, kung ano ng mga tungkol kanang bawal din na kay most of them maka-cause nga mawaan habitat sa mga species. Overexploitation. Overharvesting of mangrove resources such as timberfish and crustaceans can deplete population and disrupt the balance of this ecosystem. Invasive species. Non-native species can outcompete or prey on native mangrove flora and fauna, altering the natural dynamics of the ecosystem. Land reclamation. Land reclamation projects where coastal areas are converted into dry land result in loss of mangrove habitats.
Ay! Patay! Ito,
Aquaculture. Expansion of shrimp and fish farms often involves clearing mangroves which can lead to habitat destruction and water pollution. Coastal development. Construction and infrastructure development in coastal areas are often lead to habitat destruction and alteration to natural water flows affecting mangroves. Climate change-related stress. Mangroves are vulnerable to the impacts of climate change, including increased temperatures, ocean acidification, changes in rainfall patterns, bleaching, and canal construction. These activities can disrupt the natural hydrology of mangroves, affecting their water flow and sediment dynamics. So, mauto ang mga trends. Conservation measures. Protected areas. Establishing and maintaining marine and coastal protected areas that include mangrove ecosystem can help safeguard them from various threats. So, natatay ko ang kanang conservation measures to protect our mangroves. Sustainable resource management. Implementing sustainable harvesting practices for resources like timber, fisheries, and non-timber forest products to prevent overexploitation. So, ano gihapon ka ng dira, ka ng palabi bitaw, ka ng pagkuhan sa mga or ka ng itong ilang putlod na reforestation and restoration. Initiating mangrove restoration projects to replant and rehabilitate degraded areas can help recover lost habitat. So, natay mangrove assessment with the person na mangrove na tipod. So, manay buhaton para sort up mangroves. Legal frameworks. Enacting and enforcing laws and regulations that protect mangroves and their associated ecosystem. Awareness and education. Raising public awareness about the value of mangroves and their importance for coastal ecosystem and biodiversity. Community engagement. Involving local communities in conservation efforts, as they often depend on mangroves for their livelihoods and can play a crucial role in their protection. Scientific research. Conducting research to better understand mangroves ecosystem and their responses to environmental changes, which can inform conservation strategies. Integrated coastal management. Implementing holistic approaches to coastal zone management that consider the interconnectedness of mangroves with other coastal habitats. Climate change adaptation. Developing strategies to address the impact of climate change on mangroves, including sea level rise and increased storm intensity. International cooperation. Collaboration between nations and organizations to address transboundary issues related to mangrove conservation and management. So that's all.